This past weekend, we drove down to Wildwood to check out the New Jersey Jeep Invasion. If you are not familiar with the Invasion, it's an annual event on the beach that brings together Jeep enthusiasts from all over. It's a celebration of all things Jeep, where you can enjoy a weekend of vendors, food trucks, educational workshops, an obstacle course, and hundreds of modified Jeeps showcasing their mods. All you see is Jeeps cruising around the island, creating a high-energy atmosphere. This event is a true spectacle of automotive passion, where you can connect with like-minded individuals. After the Jeep Invasion, we stayed at the Belleplain State Forest North Shore Campground. It was my first time here, and I was pleasantly surprised. It was nice and quiet, with some cool campsites, good facilities, and different activities like hiking and mountain biking trails, boating, fishing, and even swimming in Lake Numi. I hope you enjoy this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you want to see more fun adventures like these. See you on the next one.